Hello everyone, welcome to LRDA Prep. My name is Samir Surdana and here is a beautiful puzzle for all of you to try to test your brain power. Take a screenshot, pause the video, try to solve the set by yourself. This puzzle was asked to me in one of my doubt clearing session on Unacademy, so I have decided to take it as an episode in Test Your Brain Power. Let's have a look at it, guys. Question says a person has 3,000 bananas and an elephant. The person wants to transport the maximum number of bananas to a destination which is 1,000 kilometers away using only the elephant as a mode of transportation. The elephant cannot carry more than 1,000 bananas at a time and eats a banana every kilometer it travels. What is the maximum number of bananas that can be transferred to the destination using only elephant? No other mode of transportation is allowed. See that? So guys, the total distance that this person need to travel is 1,000, right? Total distance that the person need to travel is 1,000 and the only mode of transportation is elephant, and the person wants to carry 3,000 bananas to a destination which is 1,000 kilometer away. Now, right, the total distance is 1,000 kilometers. The point here that you need to note down, the total distance is supposed to be 1,000 kilometer, and an elephant consume one banana for every 1 kilometer, right? Total number of bananas are 3,000. Now, at first, it seems that because total number of bananas are 3,000, so first at a time, because camel can carry at max 1,000 bananas, so first elephant will be taking 1,000 bananas from this point to this point in first turn. But then you see that if the elephant is traveling 1,000 kilometer with 1,000 banana, by the time elephant reach here, he will not be left with any bananas. But the problem is, and then he cannot come back to travel the whole distance of 1,000 kilometer to pick another 1,000 banana, because he is not left with any bananas while he is returning, right? So because for every kilometer that elephant travel, it consume a banana, right? The elephant cannot carry more than 1,000 bananas at a time and eats a banana every kilometer travels. So if at a point, if in the first round, elephant is taking 1,000 bananas to travel 1,000 kilometers, then elephant will not be in a position to come back and pick more 1,000. And secondly, he will be left with 0 bananas at the moment he reach at the destination. We want the person to carry the maximum number of bananas when he reach the destination, right? So what is the logic behind it? Very, very interesting puzzle, guys. Pure basic quantitative reasoning. See that? And it's really, really difficult that the idea will strike you that this is how you're supposed to solve the set. See that, guys? Because at a time, an elephant can travel 1,000, can travel with 1,000 bananas. So instead of going in the one round, I need to make some intermediate position in between. I need to make some intermediate position in between these 1,000 kilometers so that elephant can reach to a point, then go back, then pick some more bananas, right? Then goes back, brought all the bananas to this point, then brought all the bananas to this point, and then brought all the bananas to this point. There can be a third intermediate position also. Okay, but you see that if I want maximum number of bananas at the destination, then you see that the last distance, whatever is this distance, right? Whatever is this distance that we do not know at this point of time, whatever is this whole distance, you need to know, you need to see that elephant will be carrying the 1,000 bananas, right? Because at max you can carry 1,000 bananas. So the last lap of this 1,000 kilometer by the elephant should be traveled with 1,000 bananas. That means at this point of time, at this point of place, elephant should be left with 1,000 bananas to carry. Now whatever is this distance, this will be subtracted from it and rest of the bananas will be reached at the destination. And this distance is obviously less than 1,000 kilometer, because this whole distance is 1,000 kilometer. So if you travel some distance, then travel some more distance, this distance will definitely be less than 1,000. So therefore, elephant will definitely be reaching at this point with some number of bananas. And I want to maximize that bananas. That's my whole question, right? So at this point of time, if I want elephant to cover the last lap with 1000 bananas, can I say that at this time, at this time, at this point of place, elephant need to have 2000 bananas, right? Elephant need to have 2000 bananas. Now, let's say this distance is x. Let's say this distance is x. Now, elephant will first be traveling a distance of x in the first round, will carry 1000 bananas, right? Because at max, in one go, elephant can carry only 1000 bananas. Then elephant will go back, then brought back another 1000 bananas in the second round, will go back and then come back again with 1000 bananas. And you see that in this case all 3000 bananas will be reached here, but then elephant will also be consuming some of the bananas to travel that x distance. And because for every 1 kilometer he is consuming x bananas, so can I say that out of 3000 bananas that elephant is carrying, x plus x, x plus x plus x, that means 3 times forward and 2 times backward, total bananas that has been consumed by the elephant is 5 times of x. 3000 minus 5x is the number of bananas that the person will be left with when he reach at this point of time. So and because we want these number of bananas to be equal to 2000, so can I say 3000 minus 5x should be equal to 2000? Now if I solve it, I'll get 5x to be equal to 1000 and x will be equal to 200. That means in first lap, I want elephant to travel a distance of 200 kilometers. And in this case, thousands of bananas will be consumed by the elephant and you will still be left with 2000 more bananas. Now let's say, again, this is a lap of, let's say, y kilometer. Now, in one go, the elephant will be carrying 1000 bananas. So in the first round, elephant will be carrying 1000 bananas, right? Let's say this distance is equal to y. Now elephant will go back, again will be coming back with 1000 bananas, and then that's it. All 2000 bananas reached at this point, and out of these 2000 bananas, right, for every 1 kilometer, elephant is consuming y. So, and the total distance the elephant is now traveling is y plus y plus y. That means 3y. Now 2000 minus 3y should be equal to 1000. And here you will be getting value of y to be equal to 1000 upon 3. And this would be 333.3. But because he cannot consume the number of bananas in fraction, so let's take the value as 333. Let's say out of 3, let's say this distance is 333 kilometer, right? Now you see that he's left with 1000 more bananas, right? And then you see that this is the last lap, and this last lap will be covered by the elephant only in one round. So let's say this distance is z. So out of 1000 bananas, right, z number of bananas will be consumed. And because this whole distance is 1000 and this is 200, this is 333.33. So the rest of the distance would be 466.66, right? So if I subtract it, so this for every 1 kilometer is elephant is consuming 1 bananas. So out of 1000, right, 0.33 was the distance that he has already traveled earlier in this case, and 0.66 is the distance that he's traveling in the next round. So total distance traveled would be 467, and out of 1000 bananas, for every 1 more kilometer, elephant will be consuming 1 banana, so he's left with 467 more kilometer to travel. He'll be left with, he will be consuming 467 more bananas, and finally, elephant will be reaching the final destination with 533 bananas. 1000 minus 467, that elephant will be left with 533 bananas, and this is a maximum number of bananas that a person can reach at the final destination. And you see that the whole distance is also traveled: 200, 333.33, and finally 466.66. 533 is the correct answer of the question. Very beautiful puzzle. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, LRDA Prep, for your 100% syllabus coverage of CAT. Also, you can join my live classes on Unacademy for DI, data interpretation, logical reasoning, and geometry, number system. There are a lot of courses that I'm running at this point of time. If you go for a 6-month subscription now, you get subscription till CAT 2021, and you can use my referral code LRDI SMEER Live. This will give you a 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. LRDI SMEER Live is my referral code that you can use. This is my referral code, guys. Okay. Also, you can cover 300 practice sets of DI and LR with me on Unacademy special classes. The links of all of these sessions is given in the description part of the video, and you can also get the compiled link at in my Telegram group, Target CAT with Samir, and the link of the Telegram group is also given in the description part of the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part, guys. Thank you.